So my husband told me the other day that he will be participating in the work potluck and he will be taking chicken wings and a festival. You hear that? He might take that. So you know who have to cook chicken wings and festival? Me. Anyways, let's cook this chicken wings and festival for his potluck. Being a good wife, I am. Anyways, I pick up some chicken wings from the grocery store. And of course, we're going to wash the chicken real good with some vinegar and water. Strain off that extra water, and next we're going to work on the seasoning. Now this is a jerk style. Jerk, the real Jamaican jerk is out the door jerk, but this will be the oven version jerk chicken wings Jamaican style. So we clean up as we go along, and then we're going to work on our natural herbs because we really want these chicken wings to be nicely marinated and have that natural flavor bursting with all the natural herbs and spices that I will be adding. Now I'm going to cut up, wash and clean off some scallions. Yes, some people call it green onions, and also some garlic. I think I added maybe about 3 cloves of garlic and 1 onion, a piece of ginger, just a little piece of ginger, 1 hot pepper, and also some pimentos. And I added some olive oil. Now I'm going to blend all of this, why not, with the magic bullet. You see, it's just easier, simpler than the big old blender where you have to do too much cleaning with the blender. This is just whip whop and you're done. Now this is like a version of green seasoning. I know everybody add different stuff to their green seasoning, but this is the way I do it. And this portion will be just right for the amount of chicken that I'll be doing. So you see how quick and easy that is blended up. Some people you would have use a food processor, but me just use them I have. And of course I like to put on my gloves. I'm using some Maggi jerk seasoning and some of that all-purpose chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to add the green seasoning with the natural herbs to get all the natural flavor. I'm going to combine that really nice with my gloves. I forgot to add the browning and the soy sauce before I put on the gloves. So I have to take it back off and then I incorporate and nicely work that in. Then we're going to cover that and leave it to marinate for a few hours. Or you can even do overnight if you have the time. While I left that to marinate, I worked on my festival. Next, we transfer the chicken to the baking tray and we're going to bake at 450 degrees. Now, my co-workers who are watching this video, don't even bother get any ideas of Yashika taking no jerk chicken and festival to potluck. No bother with it. Anyways, that's it. Nicely done. And that was a jerk sauce I added to the side.